Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I do have a new giveaway I am currently doing. So all you have to do to enter that giveaway is watch my Walgreens beauty event video. It tells you exactly how to enter in that video. So I will have it linked in the description box as well as after this video. So when we're done with this amazing CVS beauty deal for next week, make sure you click on over there so you can enter. I am giving away some amazing prizes and some mystery items as well that I'm not going to tell you about. So again, just make sure you're subscribed. Hit that notification bell. I will be announcing the winner on Monday in my Walgreens haul. So you want to make sure that you don't miss that because you'll have 2 days to reach back out to me, shoot me an email so I can get all those items in the mail for you. So the CVS beauty deal that is going on, I mentioned it a little bit in the CVS ad preview I posted this morning if you had a chance to watch that. It is going to be a spend coupon that is going to print for us at the red box. So it will be a limit of one. It's just going to be one coupon, and it is going to be a spend coupon. So when you spend $100 on cosmetics, you're going to get $20 off. So obviously we're going to be getting a ton of items included. That's why I wanted to do a separate video for you guys, go over a couple tips and tricks for it and how it can be an amazing moneymaker scenario for you. So the items that would be included are listed right here in the top right. Cosmetics, facial, hand and body, personal cleansing, fragrances, hair care, color, dryers, and straighteners. So what you would do when you get to CVS, go to the Red Box Coupon Center. Hopefully yours is printing, and that's where we are going to find this coupon. So a couple deal updates and rules. Again, where you find this coupon, it's going to print at your Red Box. So hopefully it's working, fingers crossed. I know a lot of the Red Boxes have been down in different areas. If it is down, just ask your cashier or the manager at the location and see if they will honor taking the $20 off because it is posted right in the ad. This coupon is a purchase-based coupon, so you will not be able to add any other purchase-based CRTs. For example, a 3 off 12 cosmetic CRT or a 4 off 18 hair care CRT. You will not be able to use those when you're doing this deal because you're already using a spend coupon, which is going to encompass $100 worth of products. You can use CRTs in conjunction with this, like $3 off Maybelline or $2 off Eucerin, things like that, because they're not spend amount CRTs. So hopefully that makes sense for you guys. It is going to be a big deal, a little bit more towards the advanced couponer side, but again, there's not a lot of CRTs in it, so that's awesome. Most of the coupons we're going to be using are going to be from the 3-1 inserts or the 3-8 inserts we're going to be getting on Sunday. So hopefully you guys have those inserts available. Let's check out what we're going to be doing for this deal. So the products we're going to buy, we're going to get 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive. They're going to be on sale for $8. 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. They will be $7. 2 of the Maybelline single eyeshadows. They are $4.18 each at my store. So total for those will be $8.38. We're going to grab 2 of the CoverGirl. They are $5.99. The cheapest item is the twin brow pencils. 1 of the Eucerin Daily Hydration. They are $10.79. 1 of the Eucerin Skin Calming at $9.79. 2 Almay makeup wipes. They are $6.59 each. Total for those would be $13.18. 2 Head and Shoulders at $12. 2 Herbal Essences Bio Renew at $10. And 4 Milani, I'm sorry, that's supposed to say 3. 3 Milani lip liners, $4.69 each. So the total for those products will be $14.07. So these are all the products we are going to be buying for this spend deal. So the coupons you're going to need, the 4 off of 2 L'Oreal Elvive coupon from the 3-1 Retail Me Not. If you don't have that coupon, there was a digital available, I believe, for 3 off of 2, or there was a printable available from last weekend for a 3 off 2. So you can use that, of course, as well. A 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis coupon from the 3-1 Retail Me Not. 2 $2 off coupons printable from coupons.com for the Maybelline. I forgot to put that in there. For the Maybelline on that. Use 2 of the 3 off 1 CoverGirl Eye coupons from the 3-1 Retail Me Not. There were some printables as well, so if you want to mix and match, you can. Use 2 $3 Eucerin coupons from the 3-8 Smart Source insert. Use the 5 off of 2 Herbal Essences coupon from the March P&G. You're also going to use a 3 off of 2 Head & Shoulders coupon from the March P&G. I wanted to make sure I included the Head & Shoulders because I know a lot of you reach out to me for some amazing deals on the Head & Shoulders, and this is how you can get 2 completely free and a moneymaker. You're going to use the $3 instant coupon that is going to be printing for us as well at the Red Box for Almay. 3 off of 2 Almay makeup remover coupon that we're getting new coupons. The old ones will expire on the 7th. So we're getting a new batch of Almay coupons in the 3-8 Smart Source insert. Use the $3 Maybelline instant coupon if you still have it. It printed for us the current week, so between March 1st and March 7th. It was on either Maybelline, L'Oreal, or Garnier. So if you kept it and you didn't use it yet, you're definitely going to want to pair it in with this deal. Then you're going to use, of course, that $20 off $100 instant coupon for beauty products. Now, a lot of these products that we're going to be buying are also part of different deals. So we're going to be getting some extra bucks back. So for the L'Oreal Elvive, when you buy 2, you get a $5 extra buck. Garnier Fructis, when you buy 2, you get a $3 extra buck. Maybelline is on sale, buy 2, get a $7 extra buck. CoverGirl is buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. Eucerin this next week coming up is spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. Almay is going to be spend 12, get a $4 extra buck. The Head & Shoulders and the Buyer Renew are both together on a deal for hair care at spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. And for buying 3 Milani products, you're going to be getting back $10 in extra bucks. So here is the final breakdown for you for all 19 items. Total for all the products is going to be $105.19. Total for all the coupons is going to be $58 in total. I do have a $2 Eucerin CRT that I forgot to add in here. So if you have that CRT as well, or of course any other CRTs that you can add in, that coupon amount will of course increase. So with this scenario, you'll pay $47.19. Now you can pay that with extra bucks, or you can pay that with Fetch Rewards gift cards like I always do. You can do a mixture of both, or you can pay with cash, credit, debit, however you want. Then you're going to get back $49 in extra bucks. And because we're spending $105 in beauty products at CVS, if you're new to shopping at CVS, every $30 in CVS beauty products you buy, you're going to get a $3 beauty back. So we're going to be hitting beauty 3 times for a total of $9 in beauty bucks, and those will hit our accounts within 48 hours. So the way I break it down, the final cost is going to be how much we're getting back in extra bucks, which is going to be $58, minus how much we're having to pay, whether we're using extra bucks, cash, whatever, which is $47.19. So that's how I come up with the final cost of absolutely free and a $10.81 moneymaker. I think that is absolutely amazing. You also want to make sure you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. There's a lot of new beauty products on Fetch Rewards that you will be getting some additional points for. Maybelline is a new item. So if you're new to Fetch Rewards, make sure you guys sign up, use my code. Currently, Fetch Rewards is giving away 3,000 points when you sign up. So if you're new to Fetch Rewards, make sure you get that downloaded. Put in this code here, J24VT, and for a limited time, you'll get 3,000 points back. And if you're doing this deal exactly as I have it, you'll get some additional bonus points back for the Maybelline. Once you hit that 3,000 points, which of course you'll hit it in your first transaction when you scan your first receipt, you can get up to a $3 gift card because 3,000 points equals $3. So I use my Fetch gift cards. I cash them out for CVS gift cards, or I'll do Walmart gift cards when I do my Ibotta hauls. And that's how I'm able to lower my out-of-pocket to make sure I'm staying in a nice budget. So if you guys do have any questions, hopefully that was clear for you guys. Drop a comment below. Let me know. I did want to post this so you guys can get ready. Have a couple days to get those coupons. A couple of you have been asking me where I get my inserts, where I get my coupons. It's always listed in the printable, or not in the printable breakdown, in the description box. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you check out my description box. It has my Instagram, my Facebook. Make sure you guys follow me there. I post some additional deals. Any new deals that I find, any updates, anything like that, I'll post it on my social media pages. It also shows where I get my inserts. So if I'm buying individual coupons, I get them from thecouponmarketplace.com. You can buy individual coupons. So that's where I stocked up on the L'Oreal coupon, the Garnier Fructis, the Garnier Whole Blends for that Walgreens event, things like that. They ship really quick because they're in Florida and I'm in Florida. So I usually get my coupons in 2 days. Of course, if you're anywhere else in the US, it may take a little longer. They don't sponsor me. I don't get any money for it, but that's just where I personally get my coupons. I've never had an issue. I think they do a really great job. So I just wanted to give that advice for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.